Hey everyone, today we have a new product for the Apple Pencil and its upgraded tips. It comes in 6 pieces. 2 pairs have a metal tips. If you're using a matte protector is good. The other two is the replacement and that's the rubber cap for glass protector. And I use personally the rubber protector because I have a glass protector. But in case if somebody wondered, the metal tips are best for the matte protector because it keeps more feeling of a paper. And it costs only $6 on Amazon and it's a great product.